Hi everyone, this is Paul the barbecue guy. Just want to show you the new Hark Chubby smoker. It arrived today and I've just finished assembling it and just going to run you through a few of the features. Obviously we just got a top smoke damper there. Really nice clear temperature gauge. Good solid handle to open the door. Quite a bit of weight in the handle of the door. I'm going to pull out warming rack at the top. That's a really nice feature. We've also got underneath really good cooking area. Quite easily get 2 large briskets in that. If not, a brisket and a couple of pork shoulders. Got the temperature dampeners down the bottom. Really nice. This is what I really like. Really nice, easy, strong bench to put your stuff on so you can wrap. Coming over to the firebox. Nice big firebox there. Quite easily cook. Grill there to do direct grilling as well. That goes out, put the charcoal up down the bottom, and you quite easily get 8 to 10 kilos of charcoal in there. Looking at the side here, really simple, easy to use. Vents off the side. Another vent at the bottom here just for more airflow control. Pull out ashtray, which is really cool. Pull that out, just empty the whole thing in one go. Righto guys, I'm going to get this going now and I'll show another video once I get it going. Thanks, and if you want more information or you want to purchase one, go to thebarbecueguy.com.au and you can pre-order through there, and it takes about a week to get them in. So alright, I'm going to go heat this bad boy up and we're going to burn it in now. Thanks, have a great day.